welcome back to my channel. I am here at Slime Hoedown and it's really exciting. We're going to be selling slime all day today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. If you weren't able to get a chance to come and see us at Slime Hoedown, I am going to be at Slime Mania, which is in the Dallas area again this weekend on September 22nd. I am so excited. This event is going to be so much fun and I can't wait to see you all there. I just finished setting up and already sold a couple of slime sundaes. So we have the slime sundae bar. It's a little bit revamped. Looks kind of cool now. Got a little sign here. Slime over here. Grandma's here. All the slime that we brought. And then our collab slimes with Slimes by Kit Kat. And of course Slimes by Kit Kat is here. And then Slime by Kit Kat Slimes over there too. She's selling some supplies too. So yeah, and it's my cousin KK's first slime convention. And my cousin Megan's first slime convention. So they're excited. Slime Hoedown.
I'm doing an ice cream bar too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so you'll get any 2 scoops of this and 1 charm, okay?
I want a cherry.
That's so cute.
Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
Hi! Special buying customers.
They're not special.
Next special.
By the way, I never showed y'all how unicorn ice looks. It's so pretty. Look at the layer of clear slime, all the slushy beads, and then the little syrups. So cute.
Listen.
Slimy swirl. Slime by Macy.
Sorry.
Okay.
So these people have it's slime syrup, I think.
Slime syrup.
They're doing business, so.
This is Sky High Slime. This is slime.
the flamingo shop.
The flamingo shop. The soft milk shop. The wish slime shop. The quiet kitty slime shop. Slimy glacier. And then over here we have honey bee slime. There's this simple slime seed. Here's cactus slime. This slime filter. Here's a rhino slime. Here's
For Joseph Anthony's vlog.
Here is a big crowd.
Yeah.
Here are Dr. Slime. We have a beautiful
I don't know.
slime. Here's Brick Slime. Talking Slime. Slime. Cool Slime. I think that's all the booths, right? Oh, no, we have some more over there, don't we?
Oh yeah, we got more. There's the restrooms.
Here's some more slime, baby banana slime. Here are Disney slime. Tabby Cat Slimery. And here are lemon life slimes. Cheap slime.
Yeah, I don't know their name.
Say hi to the vlog.
Oh my gosh.
Slime. Yeah.
All right, we're on our way to judge the crunchy slime competition, I believe. So let's see how this goes. Check this out, it's super cool. Oh, and it's crunchy.
Yeah, it is.
It's pretty fun.
Two more on it.
So pretty.
I like this.
I do too.
It's so pretty. It's not like super crunchy, but I get the picture.
Yeah, you get it.
Here's the winner right here.
Because
A glitter crunch slime. Super cool.
that's why I picked it, but
I love it.
a couple.
Alright y'all, so that is pretty much it for this slime hoedown vlog. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. I know I had my cousins take my camera and vlog because it was just kind of crazy. There wasn't a lot going on, but I wanted y'all to see like little bits and pieces of, you know, the things that were going on. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!